Subscribe to our channel to unlock new video. Hey, let's draw together. Take your paint, or maybe you love markers more. Today we'll draw a palette. It should be big and bright. We will make 7 circles for paints. What are your favorite colors? I love red very much. Orange is very bright. Do you like it? Green as the leaves on trees. Dark blue as the sky before the rain. Purple, very interesting color. Blue as a lake. And white. Wow, so beautiful! Subscribe to our channel to unlock new video.